Hi guys, I'm Steve Alvidi with Bel Air Finishing. Today we're going to give you a quick recap of some process development that we completed for a client in the medical tooling industry. Our client is a high volume manufacturer of 1/8 inch stainless steel medical twist drill bits. These bad boys are used to drill holes in human and animal bones for the placement of bone screws during orthopedic surgery, usually to fix a fracture. I know they've helped a few of my buddies out. Our client's goal is to deburr and hone their tools faster, and with automation. As fate would have it, we've got the exact solution. Using our industry-leading Autohone, we utilize standard drag finishing and stream finishing technology to remove the burrs and deliver a beautifully uniform finish to the product's cutting edge, all while maintaining the precisely engineered geometry of the cutting tool itself. We were able to deliver a variety of level of hones to the cutting tools using a few different proprietary dry tumbling medias manufactured here at our facility. The results speak for themselves. Bel Air's Autohone is used in all industries: aerospace, firearms, electronics, and many more. If you're looking to automate your surface finishing, contact Bel Air Finishing.